there's this one. This baby is starving. Actually, is going to die. I don't think it's gonna survive. There's more babies and women just like that. There are more people are starving. Okay, there's a starvation going on in Ethiopia right now. Well, wherever it is in Ethiopia, there's a situation going on right now. You don't see it on news. You don't see it on evening news. Unfortunately, that's forgotten people. They are forgotten. Some millions people are starving over there. The same situation in Sudan, Darfur area. There's we just have so many situations going on, but it's the same thing. Starvation situation over there. Ethnic fighting over there. There's so much stuff going on over there in